Hidden within the fabric of nature, from the galaxies above to the flowers beneath our feet, lies a secret pattern that has fascinated mathematicians, artists, and scientists for centuries. This is the Fibonacci spiral, an invisible guide to aesthetic perfection. You probably already used the rule of thirds, so now we are uncovering how this ancient pattern can revolutionize your photography, turning simple shots into masterpieces. But what exactly is the Fibonacci spiral? Well, it begins with the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. When these numbers are translated into squares and arranged in a certain way, they form a spiral. This spiral can be found everywhere in nature, and it's synonymous with harmony and aesthetic beauty. The fascination with this spiral is not new. It dates back to Leonardo Fibonacci in the 12th century, and it has appeared in art, architecture, and nature studies throughout history. Its presence in the natural world suggests a universal law of beauty and balance. Hey, now is probably a good time for you to subscribe to my channel and click that like button. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. In photography, the Fibonacci spiral serves as a powerful tool for composition. By aligning the elements of your photo along the curve of the spiral, you can create images that flow naturally, guiding the viewer's eye through the scene in a pleasing journey. It's especially effective in creating a sense of depth and dynamic interest in your shots. Applying the Fibonacci spiral in your photography might sound complex, but it starts with observation. Look for natural curves, patterns, and lines in your scenes. Position your main subject at the smallest part of the spiral and let the other elements follow the curve outward. This doesn't really require precision. It's like the rule of thirds is the same way. It doesn't have to be exact. It's about capturing the essence of the spiral's flow. Here are some practical tips for using the Fibonacci spiral. Use the spiral to accentuate curves in landscapes, guide the eye in portraits, or highlight the flow in an abstract composition. Remember, the spiral can be flipped and rotated to fit your scene. Experiment with different orientations to find the most harmonious composition. So, why use the Fibonacci spiral? It's more than just a rule. It's a pathway to creating visually compelling images that resonate on a deep, instinctual level. It leverages the beauty inherent in nature, bringing a natural order and elegance to your compositions that few other techniques can match. The Fibonacci spiral is more than a mathematical curiosity. It's a bridge between the art of photography and the patterns found in the natural world. By incorporating this timeless principle into your work, you open the door to a new realm of creative possibilities. Let the spiral guide you and watch as your photographs unfold into works of art. The world is filled with patterns waiting to be discovered. Embrace the Fibonacci spiral in your photography and capture the harmony of the universe through your lens. Take care, everyone.